Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the solution for HTML file is not opening in browser. So first of all, you need to check that if the HTML file extension is current. So for HTML file, the extension will be a name and then .html. If there is something else, it means that is wrong. So in order to remove it, we just need to right click here, and here I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to remove this .txt. So for HTML, the extension always will be .html. So right now, if I now just press enter, then it will ask, are you sure to change it? I'm going to click yes, and there you can see it is now showing us the browser icon. So here, in order to open this, we just need to right click here. Then here you can see open with. It will show us multiple browser over here. If I now click on Google Chrome, it will open on Google Chrome. Or if you just double click here, it will open it in the browser. Then let's say you want to open it in different browser, you can just right click on open with, and you can choose different browser. Or let me just open let's say this browser, Microsoft. Then I can just simply drag this file from here to our Microsoft, and if I now just leave it here and press enter, it will open our HTML file. So this is how you can solve your issue. HTML file is not working in browser. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.